Monday, little monsters, and welcome back to another week of lunches. I have today the Bentgo Kids Chill. This is the one that has the cold pack on the bottom. I am actually doing turkey, cheese, and lettuce roll-ups. This is a spinach tortilla, and I started using this, and Brandon actually doesn't mind it at all. He loves tortillas in general. So I have that. I used some rotisserie chicken that we had left over, a slice of cheese, and some Boston lettuce because it's softer to roll up. With that, I have a couple of veggie straws. I have some pistachios here, and this is actually an orange that's cut up. My aunt had come to visit, and she loves like cutting oranges for Brandon, and I would never have the time for this, but we had that left over. It's actually really good because there's no wrapping around it, but that is what he's eating. Of course, to eat that, I am giving him a spork because that does get pretty messy, and then I'm gonna give him a cup of applesauce for snack time, so he'll be able to use the spoon for the applesauce, the fork for this, and then bring this back home, reusable, which is great. The link is in the description box down below for this if you guys want to get that. And then I just have a very large thermos of milk today, so that is what he is bringing. We will see what he eats at the end of the day. Good morning, guys. Today we are using the Planet Box Rover. We have the robot theme here, and inside the Rover I have kind of like a DIY lunchable slash charcuterie board type of lunch today. So I am giving him a mozzarella stick. I'm going to keep it in the package so that it doesn't dry up, and it actually fits perfectly in this section right here. I have a little Planet Box dipper cup, and in there I have a cucumber. It's like a mini cucumber, so they're super small, and I cut them into little circles there. To go along with that, we have some salami bites, and then I have an apple that I sliced up. This is maybe like a quarter or a third of an apple, actually about a third of an apple. I have some multi-grain wheat thins here, his multivitamins, and this is something new that I found at the store. It's made by Made Good, Vanilla Crispy Square. And essentially, I think this is just like a Rice Krispie treat, but it looks like it might be a little healthier because the other ones are really, really sweet. So hopefully this one is good and he likes it. I'm gonna keep it in the package so that it doesn't get sticky all over the box, and just in case he doesn't get to it, he can bring it back home. And then for a snack, I just have a yogurt stick here. To go with that, we do have a thermos of water and one of milk, and he is going to be bringing this. We will see if he likes this at the end of the day. Thanks for watching. Hey, little monsters. So today I am using the Bentgo Kids. I worked last night, so by the time I got home and I woke up this morning, I just really didn't feel like putting in a lot of effort for the lunch today. So I made him his favorite Nutella sandwich. This is a full sandwich, but I did cut it up to make it fit into this section here. This is Nutella just with brioche bread, and I cut them into these little squares. And to that, I gave him some pistachios. His school is allowed to have nuts for lunch. So since I had hazelnut already, I decided to add some pistachios, which is his favorite nut to eat. I have some veggie straws here, a clementine that I peeled up, and then his multivitamins here in the center. For snack, I'm just gonna give him a chocolate chip granola bar. And then I do have his thermos of milk and a thermos of water for the rest of the day as well. Thanks for watching. Bye. Happy Friday, little monsters. We are finally at the end of the week, and today we are using the Planet Box lunch. Inside the lunch, I made Brandon a pizza. I used a naan bread. It's the one that's about this size, the mini, I think they call it. But it is this one. I used some tomato sauce, cheese, and then I actually added some broccoli on here just to get his vegetables in, and he actually doesn't mind it on his pizza. So I have that for the main meal. I have some pretzel sticks here. This is like a little treat. This is the Golden Grams S'more remix I've shown you before. So this is just a few pieces from it. It's actually a pretty large bag. There's a lot of it still left in here. I'm only going to give him a little bit, but it has Cocoa Puffs, Golden Grams, and marshmallows in there. Really, really good. And a clementine. And then for his snack, I'm just going to give him a pack of these grilled cheese crackers. To that, since it is Friday, I like to give him a special treat, so he's gonna have chocolate milk today. And then I gave him a large thermos of water. So that is what he's eating. Hope you guys have a monster-ific weekend, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so you can see what we come up with next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.